Hello guys, this is Breakout Trader Kapish, and before starting I would like to tell you that this video is just for educational purpose, so please don't take it as a tip. And if you want to make a free Demat account in Paytm Money, the link is in the description box. You can surely have a look. So today Nifty 50 ended 258 points up, that is 1.46%. Bank Nifty ended 1.66% up. Nifty IT ended 2.56% up. Nifty Auto ended 1.09% up. Nifty FMCG ended 1.16% up. Nifty Pharma ended 1.23% up. Nifty Infrastructure ended 1.80% up. So we all know that market has been correcting a lot from October 19th, and today we saw some up move in every sector. So now what you have to do is you have to look for reversal patterns in good stocks. So the first stock for today is TCS. So if you see here that market has corrected a lot, and this was a strong resistance zone earlier, but currently it is a strong support zone. So in this strong support zone, the price is forming a morning star. If you can see here, a big red candle, a doji, and then a big green candle. So we can see a really good move in TCS soon, but don't forget to use a stop loss below the low of this candle. And we have to remember that no strategy is 100% profitable, and if it was such, anyone could have made a really good money. So the next stock for today is ICICI Lombard. So we can see here that the price was moving in this zone from a long time. You can see here this line was providing a resistance and this line was providing a support, and today we can see here that in this support zone, in this strong support zone, it is forming a morning star, a big red candle, and then small candle with big downside wick, and then a big green candle. So we can see a good move in ICI Lombard soon, but again don't forget to use a stop loss. And again, the price will not move up 90°, it will definitely consolidate and then move up. So please don't think that if it has formed a reversal candle, the price will move up like this. It will definitely consolidate and move up, consolidate and then move up. So the next stock for today is HCL Technologies. So we can see here after a very good correction, the price is currently forming a morning star. And if we see here the last candle, today's candle is also a Marubozu candle. The open price is the lowest price of the day, and the close price is near to the highest price of the day. So we can see a really good move in HCL Technologies today. We can easily see a good move in HCL Technologies in coming weeks, and but again don't forget to use a stop loss below the low of this candle. So we can see here that this is the best time to enter into the market, because market has corrected a lot and it is not going to become zero. It will definitely move up tomorrow or day after. So that's it, and if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you want me to give my insights in a particular stock, please do comment in the comment box. Thank you.